Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick overview of our product called GHL Code Snippet. Okay, so GHL Code Snippet is actually a library of different code snippet for GoHighLevel users, and we are adding the missing piece of GoHighLevel. Okay, so sometimes as a funnel builder or a agency owner or the website designer, you may need some unique features that are missing into the GoHighLevel. Okay, so we are providing that exact features. Okay, we have already 100 plus different code snippet, like for the bestseller highlight. Let's say on your order form you want to highlight your bestseller product, you can do that with a code snippet. You can add animated content on your page. You can add slider, carousel, multiple pop-up on the same page. Okay, and you can add the section divider. You can add monthly, yearly pricing toggle button. Okay, and lots of different code snippet. You can customize your default video play button on GoHighLevel. Okay, so there are so many different code snippets we already have. Okay, so you can see some of them here, like the pricing, product and pricing. These are the sections. Okay, and each of the section we have multiple different code snippets. Okay, slider and carousel, animations, social media code snippets, image shapes. Okay, survey redesign, calendar redesign, floating review widget. Okay, on scroll animation, and so many other things. And you can also can preview. Let's say if I want to preview the hover image effect. Okay, let me do this. Okay, just in a moment. You can see with this code snippet you can add hover effect on your GoHighLevel page images. Okay, so that's it. Okay, the page is still loading. Okay, let it load at first. Okay, so a dual button. Okay, and also auto complete GoHighLevel form address fields. Okay, so there are lots of different code snippet, and you can see here we have a scrolling bar at the very top of our website where we are showing that the upcoming code snippet that we are actually working. Some of them are already completed. We are making the video tutorial for them, and we every week we are adding more new code snippet. Okay, so if you are a member, then you know already, but if you're not member, then you can see here I am already the members area of our GHL Code Snippet library. And in this library we can see here, you can see lots of different section with multiple different code snippets. So let me open one of them, like section divider. Let me open that. Okay, the section divider. If we open that, okay, mountain dividers for example, okay, you can see each of the section we have a multiple different code snippet. Okay, you can see we have lots of different dividers. If I want to show you a preview of the section divider, then you see here this is the section divider. You can add section divider like this on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, but by default you know that GoHighLevel does not have this type of section divider. Okay, here are the examples. Okay, so that's it for the section dividers. And as I said, we have multiple different image hover effect. Okay, so the page is still loading. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so inside the members area you will get the tutorial of each of the code snippet. You will get the code and required adjustment if you need. Then you will get all the guide inside the in members area. Okay, so if you don't know about the programming, about how to code on GoHighLevel, then don't worry, all you just need to implement as per the video tutorial. Okay, so each of our code snippet we have the tutorial that actually shows how you can apply that code snippet. And also you can get the idea from our YouTube channel. Into the YouTube channel we have already all the code snippet demo. Okay, like this. Let me open that. Okay, hey there, this is okay, so we have all the videos already here. Okay, you can also check our YouTube channel for the video. and you will get the idea. Okay, so that's it for the GHL Code Snippet library. Okay, so if you are new or if you don't know what actually we offer on our premium plan for GHL Code Snippet, then you get the idea. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.